You fucking knob. Get the thing ready, get it now, cause if
No, we got canisters, it's fine.
you've been doing balloons, you piece of shit. Have the canisters, why the
Hey! Light.
you, bro.
Where's the manual? I can't do this without the manual.
Check your ass, bro.
What? Can you? Oh!
Hey, you seem like you know what you're doing, bro. Just do what you do, you, bro. Yeah, obviously it's this one for the you knob.
No!
I wasn't recording! No!
That's recorded.
Ah, yeah!